This is the KRUPS 10 cup. I love it because here's my 12 cup. It's my husband's little 10 cup. We have two because I drink decaf. He likes regular coffee. So this thing, you can see the footprint, how much smaller it is than that one. So it's great if you're saving space. The only thing that's a little hard for me is when I fill it up with water, I have to turn it to the side a little bit because the viewing thing is only on the left side. But it goes in pretty easily. Fill it up, watch the numbers, done. Then you put it back. So the other thing is the little light. If you want to be on the right side, is most of your activity. The on button is on the left side over there. It does turn off after roughly 30 minutes, just great because I forget to turn it off. But what I need to do is remember to not turn it on until he's ready to have his coffee. Hope this helps.
Experience how great Splendid Stevia can be. Grown on